Good morning, YouTube. How you guys doing this morning? Isaac here with an early morning startup on the camper. So I'm going to be showing you my 1967 Wilderness 16-foot camper I've had for 4 or 5 years. Kind of did a little bit of stuff on it, not a whole lot, but now I'm trying to get things going again on it. So as you can see, it's a little bit dirty. It needs to be power washed. You can see the original green color. It's a Wilderness. We started painting it some lighter colors. If you see this piece of wood down here, that's an old door that was rotting and I had to put a new piece of wood in there. But what we're going to show today is the roof has been leaking a whole bunch. And if we come up here, you'll see where I started working on it. I used Flex Seal. And as you can see, the water just sits right in it. It's just a very neat product. I did the whole perimeter, the edges, so that way keep it from leaking. That's where I started with. As you see in the very center, that hump, that's where an air conditioner used to sit. It was sagging, and I just got rid of it and patched a hole and everything. But today we're going to be drying out this roof, and we're going to finish flex sealing the whole thing. This is going to be, I think, a very good process. This stuff is real rubbery. It's going to be a nice application for this roof. It really covers up a bad looking roof. I've cleaned this roof 15 different times in preparation for recoating it. We've coated it with different products, never really liked them. This time I'm tired of prepping. We're just trying the Flex Seal, and it seems to be sticking very good even with no prep work. So I'll maybe lightly clean it when I'm drying it off. Then we're going to roll this whole roof out, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. So stay tuned.